cleaners will come to do the job.
We send the right size team for the job based on your property, renovation scope, and timeline. Here's how we typically structure it. Small apartment or light renovation. 1 to 2 experienced cleaners. Family home or multi-room update. 2 to 3 cleaners. Full home build or large scale renovation. 3 to 5 plus cleaners or more for commercial jobs. Every member of our team is highly trained in post-construction cleaning, and we operate with military-style precision, dusting, detailing, and deep cleaning from top to bottom in coordinated zones. Unlike basic cleaning crews who wing it, we send a team that follows a proven checklist designed for builders' cleans, ensuring no corner, skirting board, or cupboard is missed. You get speed, consistency, and quality, all in one visit.